What's up, YouTube? So this video is gonna be kind of just my journey with the Celica, what I've done to it, what I've learned, and just the experience with the car, and just how it taught me quite a few things. So yeah, let's get into it. I bought the Celica like 3 years ago, I think, for $1,200, 1,300 actually. And I mean, what did you expect for that kind of money? You know, what I was expecting, just, you know, a decent working car, since it's a Toyota. Back then I didn't know much about the Celicas. I know a little bit more now, but I've done quite a few things to it. This car was in really bad shape when I first got it. So yeah, first thing I did was I bought the ignition switch and I put it on there. That ignition switch with the locks for the doors and the hatch was like $150. And then after that I put this plastic around here because it was just, there was nothing right there. So I got that for free actually. Someone gave it to me. I also replaced the center plastic right here, these two actually, and then put a stereo on there. This was like $40. It's an EXO Vision stereo. I mean, I guess the job done, so I don't complain. Next thing I did was the seats. These are from a GT, but they were in much better condition than the other ones that I had. Also got a shift knob, which was really cheap, and I don't like it. It just wiggles around all day. So I'm getting a new one. It should be here like the 27th of January. But yeah, that was that. Did the sunroof, and then this, just the whole roof, just this kind of like carpet type of thing. Sun visors. Oh shit. Something. Yeah, can't see. I didn't really do it right, did I? Just that thing came loose. Fuck. Okay, that is gonna be a problem. Anyways, there's that. In the interior, everything was just in bad shape. Actually, I did a few more things in the interior. Floor mats, and then the carpet. This is all new carpet. Well, not really new, I got it used, but it was in really good shape. Also did the door panels, I believe that's what they're called. Did that whole door because it was really messed up. It had a dent. That mirror right there, and then in the back, not much. Those are the stock GTS seats. And yeah, I mean, that rearview mirror as well, which is kind of like on the side. I'll be replacing the whole windshield pretty soon. Cabin air filter, I made a video about that, and I'm gonna try to make a video on everything else that I'm mentioning. Besides that, I took all of this thing off when I was taking off the floor, the carpet, and then the back seats. So I cleaned that, vacuumed it really good. In here, it was just a mess. Like, it was full of junk and stuff. It was just really bad. And then that's it for the interior. I'll be making videos about that pretty soon. Also did the fuses. They were all in different places. And then those are for the bypass harness. Those wires right there. What else? Got keys for it. What else? That door was in pretty good shape. New tires and wheels. These actually came with the car. Put on brakes because they were gone. Okay, so I put on this fender and the hood and the headlights and the front bumper. Both fenders actually. And this is that door that I put on there. Pretty good. Again, put in the locks. And if you come to the back, you can see the antenna, then the headlight that I put on there, and the rear bumper. This is still a bit messed up. There's a little scratch, but still pretty good. The lock for the hatch, and then that little piece right there, I don't even know what it's called. It's just to cover what's in the hatch. What else? That is quite a big part of it. And I did the bulbs actually. The tail light and headlight bulbs, those were replaced. Okay. Water pump is not working, as you can see right there. Pretty crazy. The water pump wasn't working. Had to replace that for like $30. I thought the whole tank was leaking, but it actually wasn't. It was just I didn't put on the little rubber thing in there right. I will also be making a video on that. Also replace the whole tank, like I said, because I thought it was broken. And then this little hose, I don't know if you can see it. That right there. This is the one that goes to the rear. The windshield washer fluid that goes to the rear. I didn't really know how it went because it didn't have it initially. So I got one from another car. I ran it where it's supposed to go. Back there. And then it goes under your car. Let me open this. So let me get on the other side. That little hose goes through a hole in here in the compartment. And it sticks the little clip in there, and then it runs through all the way down here. It goes back here to the back into the rear hatch right there. So if you're having problems with that, I'll be making a video on that. Pretty easy. I couldn't find out here. And just been working on trying to make this car just livable because it was just a mess. I'll put some pictures at the end of how the car looked. I'll be installing a short shifter as well pretty soon, and I'll make a video on that. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, also did stubby antenna, made a video on that. Might be replacing the whole hatch at some point because I had to do some ghetto engineering to get it to work. And I'll show you guys that right now before going into the hood to look at it. So this also replaced the struts, which I'll also be making a video on that. So get them. Just take a piece of metal, drill some holes into it, and put some screws. Because the thing in there, this little thing, that's supposed to be into the house to put your strut. It was raw. It was rusted, and they just literally came out. Take a look at the hood, where the worst part of the car is. It's the 2ZZs with rod mount. There it is. And it's a bit messy. Had to put a battery. I'll be doing a flush on the brakes pretty soon. Yeah, I'll have a colder intake. I'll put that maybe during the summer, maybe not. Had to do did I say that already? The air filter. Everything else seems fine. And I'm just gonna run it until it blows up, because it does have rot mount. And I figured that out by opening this right here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing that, but let's just post that real quick. Okay. So it does have rot mount because the people who had it didn't do the oil changes on time, and they're probably driving it hard. Who knows? But there's the 2ZZ. I'll be trying to put in a JDM 2ZZ in the future, and I'll post a detailed video on that to show people how to do it themselves. Shouldn't be that hard. I was looking at some videos. You just take everything off and then put it back in just how it works. Let's hope it goes that easy. But I mean, yeah, they're pretty simple cars to work on. Let me turn off the car real quick. And this is the 6-speed, by the way. So I found out it had, I didn't really know, but it seemed a bit strange that my car had the dark stuff around it. When I looked in here, there was more. But yeah, if I would have known what I know now, I wouldn't have got it. But you know, it's been a pretty good learning experience. I'll be replacing, I'll be flushing the power steering fluid, the brake fluid, maybe the radiator. I'll be replacing it, but everything else seems pretty good shape. So let's see how long it goes. I'll keep you guys updated on that, and let me know if you guys need a specific video on this Celica. It's pretty easy to work on, but on days like these, can't really do much because it's really fucking cool. But yeah, there it is. I've done quite a bit to it, and been a journey. Been pretty good. Oh, one last thing: the fog lights and bulbs. I replaced those with these. it is. If you guys need